Phone is having. Let me see what happens if I. Awesome. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is better. That phone for some. No. Okay, so are you still there, Dee?
I'm here.
Okay, sorry. One of my phones is having a difficulty and this one is not, so I'm just gonna use this one. Anyway, all right, so we get to do proportions and stuff today, which is awesome.
Don't. Hey. Getting a cord back there. Okay.
All right. So let's do this. And were you able to review anything at all?
Yes. Were you?
Yeah, a little bit. Which is going to be kind of fun because I do enjoy graphing data, stuff like that. So. All right, so now we get to just go back to normal things and we don't have to worry about using Excel sheets and stuff. So this is kind of a simple one because it's like in a pie chart, why are the slices or sectors different sizes? And it's probably because the size of each slice is each slice represents a category, and the area of each slice represents the proportion of the total occupied by that category.
Hi.
So, I mean, pie charts are pretty straightforward.
Okay, so number 3.
So, in a pie chart, why are the slices or sectors different sizes? And I got the third answer.
Are you sure it's not the fourth one?
Well, according to my chart,
Okay.
how are bar charts and Pareto charts related?
Oh, I just have that. Pareto charts is a bar chart where the bars are presented in descending order.
And so isn't that how bar charts are?
No, bar charts can be all over the place.
So it should be the third answer. The only difference between a bar chart and a Pareto chart is that the bars in a Pareto chart are ordered largest to smallest going from left to right. That's the correct answer?
Yeah.
The following information, okay, we conclude that P is normally distributed if NP is greater than or equal to 10, and N times 1 minus P is greater than or equal to 10. Is P,
Hi.
excuse me, my computer just did something. Tell it to do that. Is P the true proportion or the sample proportion? So looking back at my notes, excuse me. Oh my gosh. So, sorry, my notes are really long today. P is a random variable, so would that mean it's a sample proportion or no, because N is the sample.
P is a sample proportion.
It is okay. And then N is the sample size. That's what we've always been taught. Or is it the number of successes? Because anytime I see N, I just think it's.
Oops.
Goodness me, little one.
No, she's learning how to bark.
She barked and it scared me.
Okay. Let me go back to the question again.
It says, what is N? The number of successes, the number of candidates in an election, or the sample size?
Oh, sorry, I didn't even answer number 5. Okay. Oh, N. Oops, I must just close the window.
That would be terrible. Wouldn't that be? It's either the number of successes or the sample size, because N has always been the sample size.
I think it's
What?
sample.
It's the sample size?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking it was. If P equals 1/4, what is the smallest N that satisfies the requirement? So P equals 1/4.
It says if very close to 0 or 1, then P isn't close to normal unless N is very large.
Mm-hmm. So we actually have to calculate this answer. Oh, yes. So P is equal to 1/4. So we would do the N times 1 minus P is greater than or equal to 10, wouldn't we? Because we don't know the... Oh, window go. Did it even tell us how to calculate that, or? So that's going to be 75, and then that's times N. Excuse me, that's going to be like 3/4. Because whenever you subtract fractions, like you actually have to make that whole number into a fraction. And so like it would be 4/4 minus 1/4, excuse me, and you get 3/4. Right? Right? Am I crazy?
I think it's 4, but I don't know.
Yeah, well, we can go back to that one later, and if we get any new insight about it.
I only have 5 minutes, by the way, because I have tutoring at 2.
You're good. I have to head out anyway, in like 3 hours. What is the standard deviation of units?
P, the mean. I remember getting the mean.
And that's, so the mean of P, is that how we calculate it? Because that's kind of what I did. It was that, and that's what I got. Sorry if it's mirrored.
I think it's 0.4, isn't it?
So P is 0.4. So that's not the mean, that's the sample probability.
What'd you do? I don't know.
All right.
Okay.
Well, I mean, if you have to go, then I guess we can just like, or if you want to, we can meet again after your tutoring unless you really have somewhere to be. So,
Thank you to number 8. Oh, wait.
all right, and number 8. So, what is the mean of P?
Number
And to the 10th place is just, it's going to be like that first decimal point. So I think it's that, like the number that I got. I don't know. And then the standard deviation. So if you want to, because you've got 3 minutes until tutoring, if you want to, we can just kind of pick up a little later if you want, if I mean, that's if you want to.
we can what?
If you want to, because you have tutoring in just a couple minutes, you can call me back and we can try and go over more of this. I mean, that's if you want to. I'm sorry?
Go to work after tutoring.
Okay. All right, well, that's no problem. I can just work on it by myself, like, and if I find anything out, then I will text you. So,
Same.
other than that, no, it's no problem. We just had crazy schedules because I just stopped doing Star Wars stuff on Mondays and now it's on Tuesdays now. So now I'm free Mondays and we can meet on Mondays if you still want to, or we can do this.
Yeah, that sounds good. The only thing with Monday is family home evening sometimes.
Yeah.
That's the only, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
so
guys go to tutor, but I'll post this.
Okay.
We can text if we find it.
Yeah, awesome. Well, I will talk to you later, Dee.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye.